If you've ever tried to run a VW engine outside the car, it usually ends up with wires everywhere and a bit of guesswork. And that's fine, until you actually want to understand what the engine's doing. And that got me thinking, is there a safer way? So I built this test bench. Meet Bob's chair. This setup gives access and mobility that just isn't available in the car. And in my case, because I don't fully trust Bob's wiring yet, and I know the engine will need some attention, it's a safer place to find out what I'm actually working with. The control module does more than just start and run the engine. I've used circuit breakers, relays, fuses and lights to help diagnose issues and set static timing. I've made another video on that if you want to take a closer look. This is a big moment for me. To hear the engine run after all this time, that feels like real progress. And with the engine back in Bob, turns out it's not just Bob's chair.